Maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature in Mandeville can be challenging. With warm, humid summers and occasional cooler winter days, your home's windows play a major role in how evenly temperatures are distributed throughout your living space. If you notice certain rooms feeling hotter than others or experience drafts near your windows, it may be time to consider replacement windows. Modern replacement windows are designed to improve insulation, reduce energy loss, and create a more balanced indoor environment. Here's how they help Mandeville homeowners enjoy greater comfort year-round. Reducing heat gain during warm months. Mandeville's long, warm seasons mean your air conditioning system works hard to keep your home cool. Older windows, especially single-pane models, allow significant solar heat to enter your home. Replacement windows with double or triple pane glass create insulating layers that slow heat transfer. Many also include argon gas fills between panes to enhance thermal performance. Low emissivity, low-E, coatings further improve efficiency by reflecting infrared heat away from your home while still allowing natural light to pass through. This reduces overheating in sun-facing rooms and helps maintain a more consistent temperature throughout your house. Minimizing drafts and air leaks. Uneven temperatures often result from air leaks around window frames. Over time, seals and weather stripping wear down, allowing conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to seep in. Modern replacement windows are built with advanced sealing systems and precision-engineered frames. When professionally installed, they create an airtight barrier that minimizes drafts. By eliminating these small but impactful leaks, replacement windows help stabilize indoor temperatures and prevent uncomfortable hot or cold spots near windows. Supporting consistent indoor comfort. Temperature imbalance can make certain rooms feel less usable during different seasons. A living room that feels too warm in the afternoon or a bedroom that feels drafty at night can disrupt daily comfort. Replacement windows help regulate heat transfer and airflow, allowing your HVAC system to maintain steady temperatures more efficiently. This balance reduces the need to constantly adjust your thermostat. For Mandeville homeowners, this means a home that feels consistently comfortable from room to room. Improving insulation in humid conditions. Humidity is another factor that affects indoor comfort in Mandeville. Poorly insulated windows can allow warm, moist air to enter, forcing your air conditioner to work harder to remove excess humidity. Energy-efficient replacement windows help limit moisture infiltration by maintaining tight seals and proper insulation. This contributes to better humidity control and overall indoor air quality. Reducing strain on HVAC systems. When windows allow heat transfer and air leaks, your heating and cooling systems must compensate by running more frequently. Over time, this can increase energy consumption and wear on your HVAC equipment. By improving insulation and sealing, replacement windows reduce the workload on your system. This not only supports lower energy bills but may also extend the life of your heating and cooling equipment. Enhancing comfort without sacrificing natural light. One of the advantages of modern window technology is the ability to maintain natural light while improving efficiency. Replacement windows allow you to enjoy bright interiors without excessive heat gain or temperature fluctuations. This combination of light and comfort enhances the overall livability of your home. Long-term value for Mandeville homes. Upgrading to replacement windows is an investment in both comfort and efficiency. Balanced indoor temperatures reduce energy waste and create a more enjoyable living environment. In addition, energy-efficient upgrades often increase property value, making them appealing for homeowners considering future resale. A smarter approach to home comfort. If uneven temperatures are affecting your daily comfort, your windows may be the cause. Replacement windows offer improved insulation, better sealing, and advanced glass technology designed to handle Mandeville's climate. By supporting better temperature balance throughout your home, modern replacement windows help create a space that feels consistently comfortable, no matter the season.